Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, of course. You need to add your speaker to the app and then you will see it at the device list. Your speaker should be connected with the app, so click on it. Right here we have Equalizer, tap at this line, and then we need to go to the custom. We have two options. The first one is to go to the custom, and right here we can create preset. You can create more than one preset. Just click Add Equalizer or scan QR code, and let's do something like this one. Let's say that's okay for me. You can also rename this preset if you want to, the first one, the custom one, because then if you click at the plus and at Equalizer, you already name it, but not this one first. So you need to go to the settings, then click at the pencil icon, and let's call it test. Now click done, and as you can see, we just did it. Okay, the second option is to use one of the presets what SOUNDCORE offer for you, let's say balanced or something else. Also, right here, the best part. So look at this part. As you can see, if I enable bass, it will change this first part. So you can click the bass, it's up to you. Or let's disable it. Then click custom, name it. Let's call it test 2. And done. And as you can see, we have this balance preset, so now we can modify it. If you want to, just do it something like this, and you can go back. That's it, we use this preset. Also, we can reset the preset. So let's say you don't like what you made, you click at the reset button right here, and yes, and we have a default preset. And also, we can remove presets. So let's say you want to remove test 2 preset. Firstly, we cannot remove your current preset, so we need to swap to the to another custom preset or to this preset, this SOUNDCORE presets. Then let's go to the settings, and now as you can see we have this icon, this red icon, and we cannot, as I said, remove current preset. So click on this icon and then delete and delete. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!